Okay guys, today we're doing expanding brackets. And expanding brackets it's fun. It's fun. Okay, I'm gonna say that. But basically, when we expand brackets, we use this thing called the distributive law. Okay, and the distributive law basically says that everything on the inside of the brackets needs to be multiplied by what is on the outside. So everything on the inside needs to be multiplied by what is on the outside. And basically when we do this, we do two things. We expand our brackets and then we collect any terms, or we do any simplifying that we can, okay? So here I'm going to expand this. And what I just said was we need to expand everything, we need to multiply everything on the inside by what's on the outside. So I need to multiply 3 by A, and I also need to multiply 3 by B. So if I was to expand this, this would look like this. So 3 times A, close bracket. This still stays there, so I have an addition. And then I do 3 times B, okay? So now I'm ready to do these two. So I go 3 times A, which is 3A, plus 3 times B, which is 3B, okay? And that's it. There's no collecting to do there. There's no like terms that I can simplify. So that's my answer, okay? Let's jump down here to this one, okay? Because this one's a little bit more tricky in the case that our variables don't have a coefficient of 1. This one has a coefficient of 3. So I need to multiply that by 2, and then I'm going to have to multiply that by 2. So let's have a look here. I do 2 times 3A, okay, plus 2 times 6, okay? So then I end up with 2 times 3. Remember, when we're multiplying terms, we just multiply the numbers and then the variables come along for the right. So 2 times 3 is 6, and then the A stays there, plus 2 times 6, which gives me 12, okay? And that's it, that's my answer, okay? That's it, done. So here we have a variable on the outside that has a coefficient as well. So nothing changes, we still multiply what's on the outside by what's on the inside. So let's write this up. So we expand, and the expanding process does really help you to understand. You won't need to write these forever, okay? But for the time being, it's a good idea to do it until you fully understand what we're actually doing here, okay? And we're multiplying that by B, and the operation stays the same. I should really use more subtraction symbols. Sometimes you have subtraction symbols. And then here I'm doing 3A times 2x, okay? All right, let's do it. 3 times, there's no other constant term there, so it's just going to stay as 3. And A times B, remember, our variables come along for the right. Here, 3 times 2 gives me 6, okay? And then I've got an A and an X. Done, all right? This one here at the bottom, I also have an operation on the outside of the brackets. So I'm going to do the brackets first, okay? Because that's what order of operations says. I need to do that first. So let's do it. 4 times t, close bracket, plus 4 times 6, close bracket. And then I've got this plus t at the back. I'm going to leave that there. Let's do the brackets. So 4 times t gives me 4t, okay? Plus 4 times 6, which is 24. And then I've still got my 4t there, okay? So now I need to have a look and see, are there any like terms that I can collect? Well, this is a like term, and that is a like term. So let's add our t's together. Let's put all of our tomatoes in one bag. So I've got 5 of those, and then I still have 24, okay? So that is expanding brackets using the distributive law. It's pretty straightforward. Just get used to writing that first step. If we're in an exam and you get something wrong, but you have that first step in there, I'll still be able to give you marks. And yeah, that's basically it. Good luck. If you've got any questions, please ask.